Good morning!
Wow! Congratulations!
Nice bike. Whoa! Amazing!
Oh no!
Oh, hello.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Not yet.
Oh no!
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Help me!
We're in trouble now.
Oh yes!
Here I go!
Okay, let's go!
Going to count the kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Hey!
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Hello! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
I'm ready to put on a show!
Amazing! Ooh, just give it a little bit of
Okay.
Good job!
Yeah! Hey, hey, hey!
Wow! Congratulations!
Okay, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
愛情美味しく料理してやるぜいっぱいバイバイ
We're in trouble now.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Good job!
Oh yes!
Okay, let's go! Okay.
Here I
Going to count the kids today. I'm looking for the chump clubby ones.
Bye-bye!
I'm ready to put on a show!
Okay.
Are you alright?
And Tweenager.
Bye!
Bye.
go! Here I go! I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey! Whoa!
I am ready to put on a show!
Hello, hello, hello.
We're in trouble now.
Oh no! Hey! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Hey, hey, hey! My gallery's still talking.
Na 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 na. Oh no! Ooh, just give it a little bit of yeah, just a little bit of
Hey! Okay, let's go!
Oh, yes!
Here we go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make.
Bye, have a great time. Are you alright?
Good job! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Okay.
Good job!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. Here we go! Okay, let's go!
美味しく料理してやるぜ。
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show! Here I go!
Oh, wow.
Hello! Hello!
We're in trouble now.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Hey, what happened?
Wow! Congratulations!
Are you alright?
Help me! Good job! My God, are you still? Whoa! Amazing! Here we go!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Bye.
Okay.
Good job! Oh, yes! Go, go, go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Whoa! Amazing! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye.
Okay.
Oh, no.
To handle the answer tune.
Okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning.
We're in trouble now.
Here I go. Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, wow.
Amazing!
Oh, wow.
Hello.
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay. Good job.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Here we go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We're in trouble now.
Whoa! Amazing!
Oh yes.
Okay, let's go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning. We're in trouble now. Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened? My God, are you still talking?
Woohoo! Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Oh no. Hello. 今日は愛情おいしく料理してやるぜ。いっぱいおい。Oh no.
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay. Amazing.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay back yet. Not yet.
Bye.
We're in trouble now. Okay.
Here we go!
Go go go.
Going to kids today. Looking for the chubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream.
Bye-bye. Here I go!
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Help me! Okay.
Are you all right?
Help me! Good job! Okay, let's go! Here we go!
Going to kids today. Looking for the chubby ones. Going to find me some chubby kids.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show.
Here I go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh,
Hey, what happened?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Yahoo!
My God, are you still talking?
Oh no. Hello.
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh no. Hey. Hello. Also looking for tickets, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Oh, hello.
Whoa! Amazing!
Good job.
Here we go!
Okay. Go go go.
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find me some chubby.
bye.
Oh yes.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye-bye!
Okay.
Good job!
I am ready to put on a show.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back.
Bye, have a great time.